How do you make him chirp?
Don't know.
Cheep, 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 cheep. I don't know. You're gonna do something entertaining?
He's puffing his chest out. Now it's back in. He's on his treat stick. It has lots of fruit.
Its name is Blue.
Like in the movie Rio.
It's my friend's bird, don't judge. It's her sister's actually. And why is there a piece of lettuce or something in the water?
Has so it doesn't get wilty. You see how many times he's pooped and how many times he's chirped? Look at the poop on the floor.
Holy Jesus. I don't even know. Come on, little birdie, are you going to do anything?
This is how you open his food and water things. You untwist it and then you open it.
Let's see. You gonna do anything? Sheep? Sheep? I'm just gonna see. I wanna see if he's gonna do anything. Can you say happy birthday? Nope? Okay, we'll say goodbye to YouTube. Bye-bye. It's not stopping.
Okay.